welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. So this one is the August 2023 Boxycharm Premium Box. Here's what the little card looked like. Anywho, we're going to go ahead and get right into this. So in no particular order, we're just going to pick them up and find them on the card. Although I'm glancing over values. This one was a lower valued box, to be fair, but I think there's also like a product or two more in it than usual, so I guess it equals out. So the first thing in here is by Ofra, and it's the Signature Palette in Symphony. So this retails for $34 for this little thing, and it says, give them pitch-perfect eye looks with this palette of melodic mauves and warm shimmers, featuring and inspired by Ofra's blissful highlighter. These harmonious shades never miss a beat in this easy-to-carry compact with a mirror. Color names are Sublime, Charm, Blissful, Tempo, and Godiva. So, I'll take it out and let you guys see the colors. Oh, those are the little triangles as part of the logo. So, like, there's something on here. And then I was like, wait, no, those are supposed to be there. I was like, is that bits of plastic? Oh, no, it's not. I'm just an idiot. Okay, so let me block the mirror. But here's what the colors look like. They're actually deeper than I was expecting, but they're really pretty, though. So, yeah, anywho, that's that one. Slide that back in there for now. Next up, oh, I think this is our one high-value thing. Yes, this is the Kat Berkey Nutrient C Eye Cream, and it retails for $90. A rich, nourishing eye cream with vitamin C specifically designed for the delicate eye area. This instant reviver is made with a combination of radiance enhancers. Stay C, a stable form of vitamin C, brightens the eye area. Grapeseed and evening primrose oils deliver antioxidant protection, and vitamin E and caffeine help nourish Indie Puff. Kat's proprietary nutrient-dense KB5 complex, rich in antioxidants, is added to defend against environmental damage. And then it looks like this, which is totally not what I was expecting, because usually with like vitamin C things, they put them in dark bottles to help protect the vitamin C to stay as protected as it can. But since this is with the Stay C technology, I guess maybe that's why they didn't need to use the dark bottle. But regardless, it's going to be living inside my skincare fridge when I get around to this one, and in the meantime, it'll be inside the box, inside of one of these, whichever one has the eye things in it, so it'll be fine, trust. So, anyway, next, what is this? Okay, so this is from Lawless Beauty, and it's Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss in Rosy Outlook. I got confused because it said Clean AF. I was like, is that the brand? No, it's not. So anyway, this is $25, and a clinically proven lip plumping treatment in ultra shiny gloss with immediate and long-term plumping, softening, and hydrating benefits, in a universally flattering sheer baby pink shade. Immediately, lines are filled and the lip surface is smooth. With consistent use, lips are proven to increase their volume and plumpness with fewer lip lines. So let's see what it looks like. I am very confused. I'm like trying to read. What the hell does this say? But like, I can't quite tell. Oh, there's like a whole fucking diatribe in there. I guess when we get around to reviewing this, I'll disassemble the box so we can read whatever the hell that says. I'm like, there's like a whole like speech in there. Oh yeah, I guess that is baby pink. Okay. It's very light. I'm not even sure that'll show up. It's so light, but it's kind of a cool bottle. It feels like it's made of like frosted glass, so I mean, that's pretty cool. So anyway, there's that. We have from Item Beauty, where is it? Item Beauty by Addison Rae, the Lid Glaze Hydrating Jelly Eyeshadow. And this is $14. Does it give us a color name? Lunar Drop. Okay. So you can see through the windows on the sides that make up the logo, you can see the product in it, so you can see what color it is. So that's pretty. Play up your lids with this luminous liquid eye color that can be layered up for as little or as much drama as you like. Infused with hydrating sodium hyaluronic, the buildable formula glides on without any slip and slide. Well, that sounds pretty good. Then we have... Oh, god damn it. This thing again. This is like my second or third of this, and I can't use it because of the coconut milk in it. Okay. Anyway, it's by Playa. It's the Minoy Milk Leave-In Conditioner. $24, even though on eBay certainly can't get that much for it. That'd be too easy. An ultra-light, yet deep conditioning treatment formulated for chemically treated, dry, frizzy, or environmentally damaged hair. Tahitian Minoy oil penetrates the hair shaft, taming frizz and healing damage. Coconut milk deep conditions, promoting strength, shine, and softness. Used on wet or dry hair, it detangles and seals the hair cuticle to lock in moisture, restore luster, and diminish frizz. Which all sounds great for somebody who's not allergic to coconut. Damn it. I get screwed over on so many of these things, I swear. And then finally the last one is from Complex Culture. And this one is the Pout Clout Nourishing Lipstick in the color Isoflex. So this retails for $24 as well. And it says, pump your plout... Let's try that again. Plump your pout with this buildable silky cream color infused with natural nourishers. A moisturizing mix of botanical waxes, plant extracts, and peptides for lush color that lasts. Well, that looks like it's going to be very pretty and very vibrant. So let's take a peek. Ooh. Oh, it's like ceramic feeling. Oh, it's one of those magnetic ones. I love it. Oh, I love these. You know, I always end up playing with them every time. Okay. Oh, wow. That does not exactly feel like that, but I mean, still, that's gorgeous. That's very vampy. That's very, like, autumnal vibes, which, I mean, no rule saying I can't wear it year-round, but perfect for when autumn does roll around, but still, that's really pretty. So anyway, that's everything I got in my August premium Boxycharm box. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. Hiccups out of nowhere. Every time. Everything, it's down below for the socials, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is also down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.